Understanding, I can't tolerate it, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, I can't tolerate it. It's a powerful expression that can convey a range of emotions and responses. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding these phrases is key to improving your fluency. So, let's get started. The phrase, I can't tolerate it, is used to express a strong inability or unwillingness to accept or endure something. When someone says this, they're telling you that something is beyond their capacity for patience or acceptance. It's a clear boundary that has been reached or crossed. This phrase can refer to a wide range of situations, from physical discomfort to emotional distress, or even disagreement with ideas or behaviors. In personal situations, you might use, I can't tolerate it, in personal situations when expressing discomfort or dissatisfaction. For example, if someone is playing music too loudly and it's causing you distress, you might say, I can't tolerate this noise. In professional contexts, in professional settings, this phrase can be used to express strong disagreement or inability to accept certain work conditions or ethics. For example, I can't tolerate this level of unprofessionalism. In social discussions, when discussing broader social or ethical issues, saying, I can't tolerate it, signals a strong moral stance against something. For example, I can't tolerate injustice. Be mindful of the context. Understanding the context in which you use this phrase is crucial. It's a strong statement that should be reserved for situations where you truly cannot accept or endure something. Expressing your feelings. When you say, I can't tolerate it, you're often talking about your feelings. It's important to be clear about what specifically you can't tolerate and why, especially in personal or professional discussions. Alternatives to consider. Sometimes, a softer approach may be more appropriate. Instead of saying, I can't tolerate it, you might say, I find this difficult to accept, or, I'm struggling to deal with this. These alternatives can express discomfort without being as definitive. Understanding and using the phrase, I can't tolerate it, effectively can help you communicate your boundaries and discomfort clearly and assertively in English. Remember, the power of language lies in not just what we say but how we say it. We hope this guide helps you navigate those moments when you need to express that something is just too much to bear. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.